Hello everyone! We will explain about 3D printer. If the shape of an object has multiple or curved shapes, it is difficult to cut and form this shape. Then we can make it with 3D scanner and 3D printer. The shape can be measured using a measuring device called a 3D scanner. A special light is applied to the object from the 3D scanner, and it is read by the scanner device. Here's a question. What is this making now by 3D printer? Yes, this is an apple. Here, I was able to scan the smooth curved surface and subtle color tones of apples.
We will make our three-dimensional shapes by performing completed calculations. It is showed on a 3D printer that sliding a 3D model into the thin layers for printings. Then the movement of the nozzle that exacts a melted resin is calculated in each layer. 7 hours have passed since the start of the printings. About half of the apples are output on a table inside the printer. After about 14 hours, the apple was finally completed. The color reproduction is a little unsuccessful, but the shape of the apple is exactly the same. That's all. Thank you for listening.